Mercedes AMG's new electric sedan, over 1,000 HP and a dedicated platform. Mercedes AMG is preparing to unveil a high-performance electric sedan set to replace the AMG GT four-door coupe. The illustrations accompanying this article are 50% accurate, based on photographs of heavily camouflaged prototypes provided by our friend Wilkeblock, offering an early glimpse at what's to come. The upcoming sedan will ride on AMG's new dedicated AMG.EA platform, featuring a slimmer battery pack for improved cabin space and a 40% increase in energy density. It will use advanced axial-flux electric motors from AMG's British subsidiary Yasa, each weighing just 24 kilograms, yet producing 480 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque. With at least 2 motors and standard all-wheel drive, the sedan is expected to deliver over 1,000 horsepower, with a possible tri-motor version pushing nearly 1,500 horsepower. Design-wise, the EV is heavily inspired by the Vision AMG concept, with a reworked Panamericana grille, low nose, aggressive fenders, and a practical 5-door liftback shape. Teaser images hint at aerodynamic canards, an active rear spoiler, and a short trunk, reinforcing its performance pedigree. Unlike previous electric models, AMG won't use the EQ branding, opting instead for EQ technology badging. The AMG sedan will debut alongside an electric SUV built on the same platform, with both models expected to launch by early 2026. Pricing could surpass €140,000, given its advanced technology and power output. For reference, the outgoing AMG GT four-door coupe starts at €105,000, while the AMG EQS costs €137,000. Despite its EV push, AMG assures fans that new V8 models are still in development, but the brand remains confident that its customers will embrace electrification. Stay tuned for more.